back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Fine tonight. In the Masterbuilt, Dottie's Country Store, J. Everett Groom Long and Foster Real Estate, Jennings Popular Solution out of Fairfield, Virginia, it's John Jennings. In car number 99 out of Walnut Cove, North Carolina, Matt Duggins, double nickel platinum power wash. And then in the 20, coming for qualifying, Trey Stamper and a Rocket XR1 out of Toast, North Carolina, VNS Septic Service, Blue Ridge Truck Service. Here we go for qualifying for the Elite Racing Series here at Natural Bridge Speedway. First lap for John Jennings, an 18.861. First lap for Matt Duggins, an 18.031. Fast time currently the 20T of Trey Stamper at a 17.890. 17.890 for the 20 of Trey Stamper. Next out, in car 26F. In the Capital Race Cars out of Storch Draft, Virginia, Salon 121, Gibson Clean Cut Lawn Care, Bow Feathers Racing. It's Chris Fretwell. In car 20, S&L Racing, CMA Valley Nissan, Rockbridge Rental Company, Masterbuilt. It's Ryan LaRue. Then there comes the 2 of Wyatt Coffee in a Longhorn, Todd Reynolds, Jeff Smith Racing. Caution there up there in turn 2 for Chris Fretwell. Storch Drafts, Virginia's Chris Fretwell brings out the caution here in qualifying. Green is coming back out here for Wyatt Coffee. New fast time, Wyatt Coffee at a 17.839. Chris Fretwell, 4th overall with a 18.564 for his first lap. This is the first lap for Ryan LaRue. 4th overall with a 18.559. So, Waynesboro, Virginia's Wyatt Coffee currently fast time in the Elite Racing Series 602 with a 17.839. Racing Fairfield Tire out of Fairfield, Virginia. Give it up for Samuel Hamilton. Then in car 11 out of Natural Bridge, Virginia, Higgins Trucking, Freedom Church. It's Tim Stallnaker. And then it's in the Masterbuilt, Beher Stump Grinding, Walker's Creek Cabinets LLC. Here comes Devin Beher. Green is out. Samuel Hamilton, 4th overall to 18.120. Tim Stallnaker's first lap, 7th overall at 18.747. 8th overall, the 21 of Devin Beher at 18.750. Last lap for these gentlemen. Nobody was. Devin Beher picked it up to 5th overall at 18.529, but still the fastest is Wyatt Coffee at a 17.839. In the Hawk Rest Farm, CNC Lawn Land LLC, Wolf Motorsports, Masterbuilt. The 4, Bryce Smith out of Covington, Virginia, followed by the 10H. It is the Dottie Country Store, Rising Sun Farms, Rocket XR1 of Stephen Harrison out of Brownsburg, Virginia. Then it's the 11, Kryptonite Out of Cremora, Virginia, Dakota Fox. First lap for Bryce Smith. Good enough for 5th overall at 18.348. Make that 10H of Stephen Harris 5th overall with an 18.287. The 11 of Dakota Fox is 12th overall at an 18.979. Checkered is out. Still, your fast time at the moment is Waynesboro, Virginia's Wyatt Coffey at a 17.839. Next up, he's won 2 times here this season at Natural Bridge Speedway. In the double nickel race cars, BHR 55 fabrication, Blue Paul Dog training. Out of Mount Airy, North Carolina, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Kendall Tucker. And then car number 18, out of Buckhannon, Virginia, in the Red Hill Photography, Reed's Towing, it's Jesse Murray. And then in car 12, in the Rocket with no sponsors, it's Dylan Honaker out of Covington, Virginia. Green is out here. Trying to hunt Wyatt Coffey, 17.839. First lap for Kendall Tucker, good for 3rd overall at a 17.983. First lap for Jesse Murray, 13th overall at 18.817. Dylan Hallnaker's first lap at an 18.951, 15th overall. Checkered is out. Still Wyatt Coffey's the fastest at a 17.839. Next up, in car 56 in the Behers pre-owned Booper Bear Racing. In 56, Tyler Bear out of Rockbridge, Bass, Virginia. Then car 50 out of Walnut Cove, North Carolina in a Rocket. It's Ronnie Covey. And then in the 36, in the Lester Well Drilling Painters Machine Shop, Beckenrich Farms Masterbuilt, it's Darren Critchfield. Still hunting Wyatt Coffey, 17.839. Let's see what the first lap here coming up for Tyler Bear is. Good enough for 7th overall to 18.268. 18.268 for Tyler Bear. Ronnie Covey, 18th overall, and then Darren Critchfield, 12th overall at 18.665. Tyler Bear settles in 7th overall for Tyler Bear, 7th overall. Still your fastest is Waynesboro, Virginia's Wyatt Coffey at a 17.839. We still have 2 more down there for qualifying for the 602 Elite Racing Series. Next up, Martin Small Engine Repair, BM Performance, Barry Wright Race Car, Jacob Level out of Waynesboro, Virginia, followed by Paisley's Logistics, LLC, Durham Engine Services, Barry Wright out of Elkton, North Carolina. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Daniel Durham. Last 2 here for qualifying. They're looking to knock off Waynesboro, Virginia's Wyatt Coffey at a 17.839. First lap for Jacob Level. Good enough for 6th overall to 18.149. 6th overall for Jacob Level. And Daniel Durham's first lap, 20th at a 19.196. Daniel Durham at a 19.196, 20th overall. Checkered is out. So that completes 602 Elite Racing Series late model qualifying here tonight at Natural Bridge Speedway. So, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Waynesboro, Virginia's Wyatt Coffey.